is for airplane. A is for airplane flying in the sky. B is for ball. B is for ball bouncing way up high. C is for cat.
C is for cat.
Cuddly and spry. D is for dog.
D is for dog.
Wagging tail nearby. E is for elephant. E is for elephant, big and free. F is for fish. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe, tall as can be. H is for house.
H is for house.
Home for you and me. I is for igloo. I is for igloo, cold as ice. J is for jelly.
J.
J is for jelly, wobbly and nice. K is for kite. K is for kite, soaring so light. L is for lion. L is for lion, roaring with might.
M is for moon. M is for moon.
Glowing at night. N is for nest.
N.
Q is for nest, cozy and tight. O is for octopus. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for pizza. P is for pizza, cheesy and so. Q is for queen. Q is for queen, regal and bright. R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow, colors in sight.
S is for sun. S is for sun.
Shining so bright. T is for train. T is for train, chugging just right. U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin. V is for violin, music that plays. W is for whale. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray, looking at me. Y is for yarn. Y is for yarn, soft as can be. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra, stripes so neat.